In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize header in Shopify Dawn theme. To get started, open your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. In your theme list, find the Dawn theme and click Customize. This will open the theme editor where you can preview changes in real time as you adjust your store design. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left sidebar and click on the header section. This is where you will manage the main appearance and layout of your store header. The header is one of the most important parts of your storefront because it usually contains your logo, navigation, and key branding elements that visitors see first. Begin with the logo settings. Click Logo to upload your image, if you have not added one yet. After uploading, adjust the desktop logo width to make sure the logo looks balanced in the header. If the logo is too large, it can crowd the navigation. If it is too small, it may not stand out clearly. Try to choose a size that feels clean and easy to read. Next, click on Menu. Here you can select or change the navigation menu that appears in the header. This controls the links your visitors will use to move through your store, so make sure the correct menu is selected. After that, choose the desktop menu type. In Dawn, you can usually select either a drop-down menu or a mega menu. A drop-down menu is a simple and compact option, while a mega menu can be better if your store has many categories and you want a more expanded layout. Then scroll down to the color scheme setting. This is where you can change the background and text colors for the header. Choose colors that match your brand, and also keep the text easy to read. Good contrast is important for both appearance and usability. You can also toggle Show Separator line on or off. This adds or removes the thin line below the header. It is a small detail, but it can affect how clearly the header is separated from the rest of the page. Next, adjust the bottom margin slider to control the space between the header and the page content. This helps fine-tune the layout and overall visual balance of the page. When everything looks the way you want, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. That covers everything you need to know.